we are going. So this week, we thank God so far we are able to do a massive trading on the platform. And those who miss, you will just miss a lot. But next week is coming, so don't worry. Alongside a month or 2 months ago, we started with our forex trading class, where we started with our teachings, and then we talk about the candlestick formations and the patterns, and then we move then to is the candlestick formations and their patterns. It is very important as a price trader, a price action trader. So you get to know all these stuff. So you won't be stranded on the market, or actually you won't be entering the market anyhow. As you have to get understanding of these basic steps to know much more before you even attempt the first market. Okay, so afterwards, we moved to the market strata. That was our next section. So on the market strata, this is where we talk about a trending market. And then I explained everything to you. I told you the types of the trending market we have, the uptrend and then the downtrend is also part of the market. The uptrend, which is signifies the bullish one, the market is in bullish one, where you got to identify the swings and then the impulsive moves and then regressive moves. And then we have the downtrend where you got to also see the impulsive moves and the retracement moves. The downtrend. Afterwards, we move to the support and trading support and resistance. And I told you the significance or the importance of trading the supports and resistance. After then, um, I we came to the ranging market. I think the ranging market, right? Yeah, the swing market. So you got to know the swing, how to draw trend lines, and then after we move to the ranging market. That's good. The ranging market. That's what I was talking about. The ranging market. When the market is in range, afterwards, it's when the market begins in range, it comes in range. That's where price moves ups and then down, ups and down. That's where market began to consolidate a bit for you to know. And then afterwards, when there is a breakout, that means you have to know when to enter the market when there is a breakout. You understand me? So um, we are going to continue. The left is only one that we haven't tackled yet, which is the chopping market. The chopping market is the last topic that I'm going to discuss or talk about on the market structure. Afterwards, we will move on to um, uh, after from the chopping market, then we are going to move on to the time frame. So here is the breakout here. The breakout I'll talk about. So if the market is in ranging session, that's where it comes to the support, resistance, and then the support. So that's when there is a breakout here and the breakout here. That means you have to enter a trade over here. If you miss this, there will be a pullback. If the pullback happens, that means that's another chance for a trader to enter into the market. So if you also miss the pullback, then you are on your own. Today I'm going to do a live session at 10 a.m. So I'm going to do a live session where about I will explain everything for you guys to understand and every concept about this thing, the pullback, entry, and everything you need to know, beginning from starting from the beginning to the end. But this one, I'm just doing a short recap on what happened this week on the platform, the Telegram channel for you guys to know much more. If you want to learn forestry or you want to understand everything about forestry, I recommend you getting to watch this video, Forest Technologies Detailed. I posted it on YouTube. Go to my YouTube channel and then you will find it out. Forest Technologies Detail. Okay. So the first signal that I gave out, the first setup that I gave out was G CHF JPY. Even this one I posted the setup correctly and it went well, but I didn't focus here. My main focus was on JPY this week. My main focus was on JPY this week. Okay, that was my main focus because I knew very well that the market was going to rise against JPY. So what I did was the first setup I played was Usdjpy, which gave us a massive profit. Usdjpy, you can see our TP got hit, and then we have a massive profit. I posted sell now, but I didn't place the ad price over there. So we have a massive profit for selling JPY, and then we continue to AUD, NZD, AUD, NZD. That one was also good. It was a good trade, even though we hold it for longer, but it was also good. And it was a very tricky, very challenging trade. One of the most challenging trade I've ever had this week is AUD, NZD. That is the most challenging trade I've ever had this week. Afterwards, I did a video, a short video to do some analysis to tell you how the market was going to be on EURJPY and EURUSD, sorry, EURJPY and the USDJPY. Okay, so I posted this signal and actually it was wow. It was very good, it was very massive, but actually the price just pulled back to each entry. So we have to close the trade. I asked them to close the trade with small profit instead of taking loss. I asked them to close the trade with small profit. I'll go back to there. And then we have US oil, which was also very great in profit. I didn't post, I haven't posted, uh, okay, I posted it. Yeah, I posted it. Here is it. Yeah, JPY, EURJPY. We hit the massive profit at this side. So it was good. I'll open the setup for you guys to see how it went. And then we have Euro, this Euro, USD oil. Okay, this is a setup USD oil in profit. I posted it over there. Let me go to my trading view for you guys to know that I am not speaking lies for you guys to understand what I'm trying to move over here. I'm not lying to you. I'm just telling you the truth, how the market went, and we had it correct this week. Tell you this week you should have, if you are trading funded account, you will probably be cashing out by now, or you see next week you will be cashing out. Okay, I'm on funded account, so I'm trading with funded nest and then funding picks. I'm trying my best. I'm not good though, but I still try. That is my second profit, my first and second profit. Okay, so you USDJPY, let's see. Oh, sorry, USDJPY. This is what we have for the week. Okay, USDJPY. This is what we have for the week. So just imagine from this side to this side. So everything was in entry hated. Okay, look at why we had to hit it. 146.171. That was where we got hated for TP. But our focus was just around this corner 146.000. That was where we were expecting price to be as our peak profit. And then let's go to EURJPY. EURJPY. Let me go to CHF for you guys to understand that I didn't lie to you. You see, this is my setup that I did for CHF JPY, but I didn't trade it. I didn't focus on that. I focused mainly on EURJPY. This EURJPY, you see EURJPY from here, to its profit, and it's massive profit. So it was good trade though. This week it was very good trade, massive trade. And then I'm just waiting to see what will happen next. Either it will pull down, it will sell this week or next week. Actually, it's Saturday, right? So either it will sell next week or there's gonna be a massive buy. But what I'm seeing over here means that there's going to be a massive buy next week because the market is in choppy session, and then you can see over here that USDJPY is trying to pull the market upwards, which is trying to then be a bullish trend. So if it's going to be a bullish, that means you're gonna have a breakout over here. You understand me? This is a breakout. You're gonna have a breakout over here at the resistance level. So just as it happened this week at Euro USD, whereby we had a breakout and then the pullback. We had a breakout and then the pullback. If you don't understand the word breakout, you better go to the Telegram page. I just explained everything to you before I attempted here. So we have a breakout and then the pullback. So I'm just waiting for the market to sell again. Then you go for another sell entry. This is the best time. Okay, best time to enter the trade, but market is closed for now. I can massively tell you that you can enter the trade for now and enter for sell. So US oil, that's my last setup that I want to show you. US oil, I think I deleted it. Oh shit, here was it. I deleted it. Yeah, here was it. This place, this place. And then our stop loss was this side. That's where our stop loss was. I have cleared the chart, so that's why you can see the one. So this was our stop loss. Okay, that was our stop loss actually. So it means I haven't lied to you, and everything was intact. Everything was intact. Everything. Every signal I provided this week was intact. I think I provided about 6 signals or so. Choosing and then it's all part of the exercise. If you don't pass through, that means you can't be a professional trader or you can't become a profitable trader. Some people just want to start forex trading and then all of a sudden they start making money. That's not how the market works. They have to squeeze you for at least 2 years. You have to pass through pain, put like break you down mentally, emotionally, physically, and financially before it will make you financially stable. That is how forex trading is. So I will talk more about how to start forex trading. We will talk more about that in my next session if only and time permits.